I talking about reggae, dancehall. That is Caribbean music. You got this thing in your mind that reggae and dancehall make up in cockpit country out with the maroons and them. Reggae and dancehall evolved from other people's music. I telling you the facts. Dancehall come from reggae. Reggae comes from rocksteady. Rocksteady comes from ska. Ska comes from R&B in America and mental combined. You take American music and combine it with mental. Mental is Jamaican calypso. Calypso is from Trinidad and Tobago. Calypso is the first identifiable music created in the Caribbean. Your first music in Jamaica called mental comes off the back of Trinidad and Tobago. So when you tell me to keep out of your music, I can tell you to keep the out of Trinidadian music. Because all you take up the sound from them. And you don't know this. Your music evolved from the Caribbean. So if you want to quarrel with reggaeton, if you want to quarrel with Afrobeats, wait till Trinidad quarrel with you. Because you never give Calypso the fucking recognition. You're going to be on social media talking about soca and Calypso is idiot music. The same idiot music your music evolved from. But when you get up and you start talking like people take from your music, remember that you take from people music.